Hello students, now we are going to proceed with the topic on logic gates. Okay, we are going to study now in this PPT about the universal gates. Now, universal logic gates. What are, first we are going to understand what are universal logic gates. Logic gates which are used to realize other logic gates or logic circuits are known as universal logic gates. Okay, or we can say it in other words that universal building block. In this, NOR and NAND gates are referred as universal logic gates. What is NOR and NAND? NAND is and or and not means A dot B with whole complement. Okay, and for NOR gate it is A plus B whole complement. In order to realize any other logic gate, the expression such gate is likely to be converted to NAND gate form, means complement of product form, and NOR gate form means complement of sum form. Further logic gate can be constructed by using universal logic gates for the expression so obtained. So we are not going now going to study about that NOT gate, how we are going to use NAND gate for making NOT gate. Okay, we are going to use NAND gate by for NAND gate to make a NOT gate. See, as you all know, expression of NOT gate is A NOT. Expression of NOT gate in NAND is A dot A NOT. Okay, see here two circuits are used. Okay, now hence logic diagram of NOT by using NAND gate is shown below. See here it will be like this. Here two circuits are used, that's why it will be like this. Okay, this rectangular form A and NAND gate A naught. Okay, this is your, we are going to get by this A naught. It means by you making a NAND gate, this is your NAND gate as you all know, and a naught, and we are going to get by this A naught. Okay, so we have used NAND gate for NOT gate. Now next, OR gate by using NAND gate. As you all know, the expression of OR gate is A plus B, and how we are going to convert in NAND gate, how we are going to convert it by using NAND. See how it is A plus B whole complement here, and it will be converted like this. Now expression in NAND gate form, hence logic gate of OR gate by using NAND gate is shown below. Here two variables are there, A and B. Okay, A is here shown as A naught, here B naught. Okay, here NAND gate is used, and like this we are going to get again NAND gate is used, and by whole complement we are going to get A plus B. It means when we break the bar we are going to get this complement. This is your how we are going to use, how we are going to make OR by using NAND gate. Now NOR gate by using NAND gate, we are you going to make a NOR gate by using NAND gate. Expression of NOR gate is A plus B whole complement. Expression of OR gate by using NAND gate is A complement dot B complement, and then whole complement. Okay, that it has been shown here, it has been derived here. Apply additional complement to represent NOR gate. Now we have to apply additional complement, one more complement, so that we can make NOR gate. Now we are going to make a logic diagram of NOR by using NAND gate. See, both the NAND gate A and B NAND gate are used here. Okay, now here A complement B complement, again NAND gate has been used here. So we are going to get like this A plus B, and when we are again NAND gate means it's not, and we are going to get a NOR gate by using NAND gate. Okay, now AND gate by using NAND gate. As you all know that AND logic gate is complement of NAND. Hence we are AND gate is A dot B and NAND gate is A dot B complement double complement. When we are going to make a gate, double complement is applied to keep the expression unchanged. So the expression should not be changed. Now logic diagram of AND gate by using NAND gate is shown here. See how it has been made A, B, NAND gate. Then we are going to get A dot B complement. Again we have made NAND gate A dot B double complement, and we are going to get A dot B. So this was your AND by using NAND gate. Like that we are going to make XOR gate also. Expression of XOR gate is A naught B plus AB naught, and then NAND gate is first we are going to apply a double complement here. To operate internal complement, first we are going to operate internal complement, means we are giving them in the bracket. We will then change the sign all here. Okay, now how we have drawn here A and B. Okay, how your expression is there, go through it, how XOR gate has been formed with the help of NAND gate. Now XOR gate, XNOR gate by using NOR gate. Students does as it has been shown in that how you are going to hence apply NOR gate in the form of NAND gate, and get logic diagram has been shown here. Once you have to do again, then you are going to get here XNOR gate by using NAND gate. NOT gate by using now we are going to give previously we are doing about the NAND gate. Now we are going to do NOR gate and how we are going to make NOT gate by using NOR gate. See, expression of NOT gate is A complement. Expression of NOT gate in NOR will be A plus A complement. How we are going to make? See, the logic diagram is simple. A, and here we are going to get our NOR gate. Now NOR gate has been here used for making AND gate. See, the expression is like that only, NAND only, but the sign has been changed here. Like that only you all have to make. Okay, the logic circuits has been drawn here. All the circuits you have to draw in your copy as it is given in a PPT. You all have to write that also, that how the logic gate has been made. OR gate by using NOR gate. See, you know that OR gate complement is NOR gate, hence expression of OR gate is A plus B, and NOT gate will be like this, and we have to do as I have previously told you, double complement, so that our expression should be unchanged. And logic diagram is like this. We have used here OR gate, NOR gate for making a OR gate, and we have done here make here logic circuits. Students, please, it's a request that all of you copy down it in your registers very neatly.